Nestled amidst the picturesque mountains of China lies Huangluo, a village renowned as the Long Hair Village. This serene and enchanting place is home to the Yao women, who have become famous worldwide for their extraordinary hair. The village itself is a sight to behold, with its traditional wooden houses and terraced fields that paint a picture of timeless beauty and cultural richness. For centuries, the Yao women have captivated the world with their extraordinarily long, thick and lustrous hair, which often reaches lengths of up to 2 meters. This remarkable feature has not only become a symbol of their identity, but also a source of pride and admiration. Their hair is not just long, it is incredibly healthy and shiny, a testament to their meticulous care and unique beauty practices. The secret behind their stunning hair lies in a simple yet powerful ingredient: fermented rice water. This milky white liquid, rich in vitamins and minerals, has been the cornerstone of their hair care routine for generations. The process of making rice water involves soaking or boiling rice, and then fermenting the water, which enhances its beneficial properties. Passed down through generations, this tradition involves rinsing their hair with the milky white water obtained after soaking or boiling rice. The Yao women believe that this practice not only cleanses their hair, but also nourishes it, making it stronger and more resilient. The sight of elderly women with jet-black shiny hair is a common one in Huangluo, further proving the effectiveness of this age-old beauty secret. This practice is believed to be the source of their remarkable hair health. The rice water is rich in antioxidants, minerals and vitamins B and E, which help to improve the elasticity and strength of the hair. It also contains inositol, a carbohydrate that repairs damaged hair and protects it from future damage. This holistic approach to hair care ensures that their hair remains healthy and vibrant throughout their lives. The Yao women's hair care routine goes beyond a mere rinse. It is a comprehensive regimen that includes washing, conditioning, and even styling their hair with rice water. This multifaceted approach ensures that their hair receives all the necessary nutrients and care it needs to stay healthy and beautiful. They traditionally wash their hair with this fermented rice water, using it as a cleanser, conditioner, and styling agent all in one. The rice water helps to detangle their long hair, making it easier to manage and style. It also adds a natural shine and softness to their hair, enhancing its overall appearance. This holistic approach, deeply rooted in their cultural heritage, highlights the multifaceted benefits of rice water for hair care. It is not just about maintaining the health of their hair, it is also about preserving their cultural identity and passing down their traditions to future generations. The Yao women take great pride in their hair and the practices that have been handed down to them. The sheer length and health of their hair, often free of graying even in older women, stand as a living testament to the efficacy of this age-old beauty secret. The Yao women are living proof that natural ingredients and traditional practices can yield remarkable results. Their hair is not just a symbol of beauty, it is a symbol of their resilience, wisdom, and connection to their heritage. The Yao women's story is not just a tale of beauty, but also a testament to the power of natural ingredients. In a world where commercial hair products dominate the market, their unwavering faith in rice water offers a refreshing perspective. It reminds us that sometimes the simplest solutions can be the most effective. Their unwavering faith in rice water, passed down from one generation to the next, offers a compelling insight into the potential of this humble kitchen staple. It is a tradition that binds them together, creating a sense of continuity and shared identity. The sight of mothers teaching their daughters the art of rice water hair care is a beautiful reminder of the importance of preserving cultural heritage. It inspires us to look beyond commercial hair products and reconnect with the wisdom of traditional beauty practices that have stood the test of time. The Yao women's story encourages us to explore natural alternatives and embrace the simplicity and effectiveness of traditional methods. The legend of the Yao women and their remarkable hair serves as a captivating introduction to the world of rice water for hair growth. It invites us to learn more about this ancient practice and consider incorporating it into our own hair care routines. The Yao women's story is a testament to the enduring power of nature and tradition. It piques our curiosity, urging us to delve deeper into the science behind this ancient beauty secret and explore its potential for ourselves. Researchers and scientists are now beginning to study the benefits of rice water, seeking to understand the mechanisms behind its effectiveness and how it can be applied in modern hair care. Could this simple natural remedy hold the key to unlocking our own hair goals? The story of the Yao women inspires us to look to nature for solutions and to appreciate the wisdom of traditional practices. As we explore the potential of rice water, we may discover that the secrets to beautiful, healthy hair have been within our reach all along. Rice water, far from being just wastewater, is a hidden gem in the world of natural hair care. This simple yet powerful liquid has been used for centuries in various cultures, particularly in Asia, for its remarkable benefits. It is a treasure trove of nutrients beneficial for hair health. The secret lies in its rich composition, which includes a variety of vitamins, minerals, and amino acids that work together to nourish and strengthen hair strands. This milky elixir is packed with vitamins, minerals, and amino acids that can nourish and strengthen hair strands. When rice is soaked or boiled, these nutrients leach into the water, creating a potent solution that can be used as a hair rinse or treatment. Among these, inositol, a carbohydrate found abundantly in rice water, takes center stage. Inositol is known for its ability to penetrate deep into the hair shaft, repairing damage from within and enhancing the overall health of the hair. This wonder ingredient is known to penetrate damaged hair shafts, repairing them from the inside out and increasing hair elasticity. This means that hair becomes more flexible and less prone to breakage, which is a common issue for many people. Inositol's magic lies in its ability to remain within the hair even after rinsing, providing long-lasting protection and enhancing hair's resilience against breakage. This lasting effect makes rice water an excellent choice for those looking to improve their hair's strength and durability over time. It acts as a fortifying agent, making hair less susceptible to damage from styling, heat, and environmental aggressors. Whether you frequently use heat styling tools or expose your hair to harsh weather conditions, rice water can help shield your hair from these damaging factors. This strengthening effect is particularly beneficial for those struggling with hair fall or thinning, as it promotes a healthier hair growth cycle. By reinforcing the hair from the roots to the tips, rice water can help reduce hair loss and encourage the growth of thicker, fuller hair. Beyond inositol, rice water boasts an impressive profile of other hair-loving nutrients. These include a range of vitamins and minerals that each play a unique role in maintaining hair health. Vitamins B and E nourish the scalp and hair follicles, promoting a healthier environment for hair growth. Vitamin B, in particular, helps to improve blood circulation in the scalp, ensuring that hair follicles receive the nutrients they need to thrive. Minerals like zinc and magnesium contribute to stronger hair shafts, reducing breakage and split ends. These minerals help to fortify the hair structure, making it more resilient and less likely to suffer from common issues like split ends and brittleness. These combined nutrients work in synergy to create an optimal environment for hair to thrive, resulting in shinier, smoother, and more manageable locks. Regular use of rice water can transform the texture and appearance of your hair, making it look healthier and more vibrant. The rich nutritional value of rice water makes it a potent, natural alternative to expensive hair treatments. Instead of spending a fortune on commercial products, you can harness the power of rice water to achieve similar, if not better, results. Its ability to address multiple hair concerns simultaneously, from strengthening strands to promoting growth, makes it a versatile addition to any hair care routine. Whether you're dealing with dryness, dullness, or hair fall, rice water can help tackle these issues effectively. Understanding the specific benefits of each nutrient in rice water empowers individuals to make informed choices about their hair care regimen. By incorporating rice water into your routine, you can take a proactive approach to maintaining and improving your hair's health, ensuring it remains strong, shiny, and beautiful. The use of rice water for hair care is steeped in anecdotal evidence passed down through generations in East Asian cultures. This age-old practice has been a cornerstone in the beauty routines of many, revered for its purported ability to enhance hair health. The tradition is not just a fleeting trend, but a deeply ingrained cultural practice that has stood the test of time. Stories abound of individuals experiencing remarkable improvements in hair growth, thickness, and shine after incorporating rice water into their routines. These narratives often highlight how rice water has transformed dull, lifeless hair into vibrant, healthy locks. The consistency of these stories across different regions and communities adds a layer of credibility to the practice. Online forums buzz with testimonials and before and after pictures, showcasing the transformative potential of this humble kitchen ingredient. Users share their personal journeys, often accompanied by photographic evidence, to illustrate the dramatic changes they have witnessed. These platforms have become a repository of collective wisdom, where tips and techniques for using rice water are exchanged freely. However, it's important to acknowledge that scientific research on the benefits of rice water for hair growth is still in its nascent stages. While the anecdotal evidence is compelling, the scientific community has only just begun to explore the potential mechanisms behind these observed benefits. This gap between traditional knowledge and scientific validation is a common theme in the study of natural remedies. While anecdotal evidence offers compelling insights, more rigorous scientific studies are needed to confirm these claims and understand the mechanisms of action involved. Researchers are particularly interested in identifying the specific compounds in rice water that contribute to hair health. This involves isolating and studying various nutrients and their effects on hair follicles. Current research primarily focuses on the benefits of inositol, a carbohydrate found in rice water that is believed to penetrate damaged hair and repair it from the inside out. However, inositol is just one of many components in rice water, leaving a vast scope for exploring the potential of other nutrients. Vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants present in rice water may also play significant roles in promoting hair health. Despite the lack of extensive scientific backing, the centuries-old tradition, coupled with emerging research and countless positive testimonials, makes rice water a compelling natural remedy for hair growth. The convergence of traditional wisdom and modern science offers a promising avenue for future research. As scientists continue to investigate, they may uncover new insights that validate and expand upon the anecdotal evidence. It's crucial to approach these claims with a balanced perspective, recognizing the need for further scientific validation while acknowledging the potential benefits observed through anecdotal evidence. This balanced approach ensures that we remain open to the possibilities while maintaining a critical eye on the evidence. It encourages a dialogue between traditional practices and scientific inquiry. The current state of research should be seen as an invitation for further exploration rather than a deterrent. The preliminary findings are promising, but they are just the beginning. There is a vast landscape of knowledge yet to be explored, and each new study brings us closer to a comprehensive understanding of rice water's potential. As more studies delve into the specific benefits of rice water for hair, we can hope to gain a more comprehensive understanding of its efficacy and unlock its full potential for hair care. This ongoing research will help bridge the gap between anecdotal evidence and scientific proof, providing a more solid foundation for the use of rice water in hair care routines. The journey of rice water from a traditional remedy to a scientifically validated treatment is an exciting one. It highlights the importance of preserving traditional knowledge while subjecting it to the rigors of scientific scrutiny. This dual approach not only honors the wisdom of our ancestors but also ensures that we have reliable, evidence-based practices for future generations. As we continue to explore the benefits of rice water for hair, we remain hopeful that future research will unlock its full potential, providing us with a natural, effective solution for hair care that is both time-honored and scientifically sound.